All right, takes us to our talk of the tape. This mega moment for the mega caps. How far these stocks can run from here. Let's ask Adam Parker. He's the founder and CEO of Trivariate Research, a CNBC contributor, and he is back with me at Post 9. Good to have you back.
Great to be here.
The person that I was alluding to in this opening read is you.
Wow.
You say that we're not even close to the end of this AI euphoria trade.
I just think it's, a 10-year kind of trend, and the idea that it really started in my mind less than a year ago. It was really NVIDIA's first upward sales revision, in May. So, just thinking out loud, is it less than a 1-year trade for the stocks? I think it's going to follow that same curve all technology adoption does. And I think a lot of people just continue to believe, I'm going to call the top of that first wave, and it's going to correct 20, 30, 40%, and then I'm going to get it right at the bottom, and then I'm going to ride it for the second wave. And you saw the note, we called it the NVIDIA God trade. You think you're God, you're going to call the top, call the bottom, and call the top again. And meantime, you haven't even deployed most of this stuff, and it's a 10-year trend. So my view is I'm not that smart. I'm not going to get it right in 3 directions in a row. Mm-hmm. And for the last year, we're just staying long, and we want exposure to AI semis. That's the call.
Jensen Huang of NVIDIA would have us believe that this is the dawning of a new industrial revolution. He speaks of it that way. We're at a tipping point, he says, for what's happening in AI. That sounds like you're on that same page. Yeah,
I might multiply it by 0.8 or whatever, but I might hit a couple and think he's doing his job and promoting it. And I used to be a chip analyst, so I remember these companies when it didn't look like they were going to survive 25 years ago. And I was joking around with a bunch of my old semiconductor buy-side analysts today saying, if you had told, 20 years ago, if you told Intel that NVIDIA would have added an Intel market cap pre-market in one day, they would have thought you were on drugs. So a lot's changed and evolved, but I tend to agree it's a multi-year trend. That second wave is many years off when you really implement cost cutting, and the first wave is sort of implementing the infrastructure. When I hear Sam Altman say we don't even have enough power, forget compute, I think, it's very early on.
Was the rally in the market at large, was this a moment of truth for that? If this came in negative, was that in danger of wrecking the whole show? And now we are enabled to take another leg up because of what NVIDIA delivered?
I hate, being sort of aggrandizing the one data point, but for sure it carries with a lot of other hopes and dreams. For sure, the day they tell you they can meet demand, the stock and the market are going to go down a lot. But I do believe there are that same basket of 10 companies, plus or minus, that will participate, that you need to own and have exposure to. They're going to outperform 2, 3, 5, 10 years from now. And you saw in our work, I don't want to be a PM and say, I didn't own any AI stuff because I couldn't make the valuation work, or I thought it was late, or any of that. It's a huge trend. You need to be there.
Because as we talked to Stacy Rascon, who I think is one of the best in the business yesterday going into the number, he's like, it's not expensive. In fact, it's cheap. It's cheaper than this one, and it's cheaper than that one, and it's cheaper than the other one because of what their earnings and the guidance have done. The valuation has come down. So if you don't want to own it, don't own it. Just don't tell me it's not cheap.
Right. I agree.
Don't tell me it's too expensive.
I know Stacy well because he replaced me at Bernstein when I was a semis analyst. I've known him for a long time. He's super smart, and I agree with him. If you look at all the big tech companies that have had big upward sales revisions, this one, the sales estimates have come up just as much as the stock. If you go back in sort of Q4 2022, maybe Jan 1 23, and said, what did the analysts think they were going to earn in 2024? Remember, they're off by 1 month on their fiscal calendar year. It was $8 billion for this quarter. They did 22. The magnitude of the quarter upward sales revision is unprecedented. And the stock's up basically the same amount, so it hasn't gotten more expensive.